On this video, I will be taking you on a ride on the newly road that has been reconstructed and upgraded, the LEKKI-EPE Expressway, which this particular journey is from Eleko junction down to the Epe t-junction, which has been completed and formally open to vehicle to move about, and this was done on the 1st of February 2023 by the governor of Lagos State, Governor Babajide Solu. This particular LEKKI-EPE Expressway is 18.75 kilometer stretch road from Eleko down to Epe t-junction. This road was done about 40 years ago, and it is needed for it. There's a need for it to be reconstructed to meet the upsurge of average traffic movement. And there are a lot of development that's going on in this axis, so it is needed for this road to be reconstructed. The LEKKI-EPE Expressway is being upgraded to 6-lane, and with street lights already installed, and also a dedicated track for trailers, thereby giving wood relief to motorists plying these roads. This road is upgraded from a 2-lane to a 3-door carrierway, and it is done with a concrete pavement, and there's a dedicated track for truck, which is, I think, is a good one because of the urban economic because of the development that's going on in this axis. So there will be a lot of truck movement in this axis, from Dangote refinery, from the Lekki deep sea ports, and from other companies around. No, this area is actually industrial to some extent. Depending on the area, the particular part of the free trade zone you are going to is actually industrial. So the road is actually solid with concrete, and also there's a dedicated path for truck, so that the road don't get blocked, just like what is happening in Apapa and the rest. This road also will serve as alternative route for those going in and out of Lagos, and they can easily navigate this route to the Benin Ore road, and via the Epe Jebudi Epe road. While I was driving through this road, I discovered that there's a bridge that needs to be expanded, which has not yet been expanded. I believe probably that might be where there will be deadlock later, but I think there's a sign that that bridge will be expanded. Currently, the second phase of this project, which is from Eleko down to Bamboozled in Aja, is still going on, and I think I did a video on that. I will put the video on the description of this particular video too, so for you to see. So in this axis, there are a couple of estates which I would recommend that you should buy in this route. We have the Amen Estate Phase 3, which is facing the LEKKI-EPE Expressway. It's a good buy for you, and currently it's going for 26 million naira all inclusive. And also you can get a 300 square meter in Amen Estate Phase 3. Then also in this same route too, we also have the TIARA Estate, which is currently going for 23 million naira, and also there's 300 square meter available. I've done comprehensive video on this estate, which is on my channel, which you can check on my channel, or you can just call me. Then let's talk. I will give you more details. In this same road too, we have the another estate, which is the Favour Green and Smart City, which is a good one for you to also get to. Then we also have a commercial plot in this asset, which is the TIWA commercial up, which I would recommend you get. You can get a 500 square meter, you can get a 1000 square meter, and also a 2000 square meter in this TIWA commercial up. I will want to work with you to get any of this estate in this asset, because this area is really emerging, and this is the best time for you to invest in this estate. So my name is Dennis, and what I do, I help Nigerians in diaspora, I help Nigerians in Nigeria, I also help non-Nigerians who want to invest in Lagos market. Feel free to call me. Let me assist you in getting a plot of land in this estate. I want to work with you to get any of this estate in this asset, because this area is really emerging. So my name is Dennis, and what I do, I help Nigerians in diaspora, I help Nigerians in Nigeria, I also help non-Nigerians who want to invest in Lagos market. Once again, thank you for staying to this point.